The time is 5:22. Welcome back to Kansas Today. As we try to think spring, we'll talk golf. The annual golf tournament benefiting Wichita's Ronald McDonald Houses is creeping up on us. It raises money the charity uses to provide area families a place to stay while their children get the specialized medical attention they need. It takes a lot of support to provide those services 24/7, 365 days a year.
It was just a complete whirlwind for us and kind of turned our lives upside down.
Jeff and Stacy Graves first encountered the Ronald McDonald House when their then 13-month-old daughter Lauren was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes.
We went from literally just the clothes on our back into the hospital to staying there 7 to 10 days.
A flurry of treatment for Lauren and lessons for mom and dad in carb counting, giving shots and testing blood sugar followed. But the family found refuge in the Ronald McDonald House family room at Wesley Medical Center.
We weren't really able to leave the hospital, and so we were able to go into the room, get food, meet with our family, and just kind of get away from everything for a little bit until we had to go back.
It was just a really nice getaway for us. Just offered a little bit of peace and just kind of step away for a moment.
But the family would need that peace yet again.
We had a daughter that was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. We also had a son where we used the room again, who was diagnosed with osteogenesis imperfecta, which is a brittle bone disease.
They would once again find help and comfort at a time they needed it most.
It's a strain, you know, and you just don't know what to do. And it's good to have something like the Ronald McDonald Family Room at Wesley there, where at least we don't have to think about what we're gonna eat, or, you know, we've got some toiletries and different things that we can take advantage of.
Now fast forward several years, the Graves are more than thankful their two kids are happy and healthy. The family is looking forward to giving back to the place that gave them so much.
You look out the window of the hospital and you see the world just keeps going. And sometimes you just feel so isolated that, you know, this is a problem and, you know, this is something we're dealing with. And it's really nice to know that there's people that care and you have some place to go like Ronald McDonald House.
The Graves family and dozens of other families and Wichita area businesses will join together to support the Ronald McDonald Charities of Wichita's 28th annual benefit golf tournament. That's June 2nd. There are a few remaining sponsorships available, and of course, our Ronald McDonald Houses can always use more volunteers any time of year. They do such great things.